Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for our Stamp Club reveal for the month of March in 2026. You guys, I'm going to say this unequivocally. This is probably my favorite stamp set we've ever done, like ever. I love this so much that today when I was making samples, when Sylvia came in, I'm like, Sylvia, you nailed this one. This is so good and I've had so much fun playing with it and I think you guys will too. One of the reasons is because it kind of takes me back, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But if you're not a member of our stamp club, you should consider being one. Why? Well, number one, you get our stamps at a discounted price when you're in the club. So you pay a little bit less than they are retail price. Secondly, as a club member, you get 15% off most of your purchases every day in our store. And you just use a simple code to make that happen. And you don't have to remember anything hard, like the computer remembers who you are or the website remembers who you are when you sign in. And that 15% comes off of everything that is eligible on, which when I say most is most items. And you don't pay any shipping for these sets. You pay your club member price and we ship it out to you for free. We take care of that for you. And it's open internationally as well as here in the States. All right, are you ready to see this one? It is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, ready? I want you to wait a second, like I'm trying to build anticipation. This set is called Silly Goose. Oh my goodness. This goose trend is owning me lately, this whole porch goose thing. If you don't know what that is, you got to Google it and see what it is. I want a porch goose. I think everybody needs a porch goose. But this little guy right here is so cute. You get 3 geese. You have this guy who's a little bit crazy or silly, right? This guy who's very dapper, and this young lady who's ready for a beautiful day, like a spring bonnet day. And then if we look at what all it says, you get Silly Goose, okay? And then you get You Quack Me Up. You get Hooray, Honk, in case you want to say honk. And then to go with Silly Goose, one more waddle around the sun, like for a birthday card. You Still Give Me Goosebumps, which is so cute. What'll I Do Without You? Sorry I'm late, I was dilly-dallying. I thought we needed that for a birthday card. You get some glasses that are precious and these boots to put on. Let me show you our samples. We had way too much fun. Now I'm going to start with Silly Goose, and I did this on purpose. I wanted Silly Goose to be silly, and I wanted the card to look silly. So look at this. The colors are silly. He's on a wobble. This is an egg-shaped die cut that I used from, I'll show you which one it was. I have it sitting here because I'm going to use it tonight in my live show even. Here it is. This is the nested eggs from Pink and Maine, and I just think that's adorable. He's got little boots, and his boots are popped up on foam. Those are from the stamp. And then I said, sorry I'm late, I was dilly-dallying. I thought this would be super cute for like a birthday card or something like that. So there's one sample. Then our next sample is Shannon, and she did this dapper guy. I knew she would want to do this little guy. She paper pieced all of him, and she said, this was fun because he's so easy to paper piece. So his beak is paper pieced, his bow, his little shirt, his little feet, and his hat. And she really enjoyed doing that. And she said, Silly Goose here. And on the inside, she said, You Still Give Me Goosebumps, which I think is adorable. And then my last one, which I'm so excited to show you, because this takes me back. This is why I love this goose so much. I remember my mother having these things all over the house. And if you remember, we had the color Wedgwood blue and mauve. It was everywhere in the 80s, late 80s. That's what we had in our house. Probably more early 80s than late 80s. But check this one out. This reminds me of the decor Mom had. And I have to be honest with you, the color on camera is very bright. This blue is exactly the color of some pillows Mom had on the couch. This mauve is the color of one of the recliners we had. And this little goose reminds me of every bit of it. So this one I did using, let me show you, I have it here too, using this Lawn Fawn quilted heart die, which is perfect for this goose, because it just kind of fits the theme, if you remember, if you think back then. And if you look on the side, what I did was I did a panel and popped them up. So this middle section sinks in. If you can see my finger sinking in. And this little goose bridges the gap there. And it says, Silly Goose, what'll I do without you? And I love it. I think these are so cute. And you can tell we had fun because we went a little crazy with our samples, right? We went a little silly with them, and I just think they are precious. A bunch of different ways to use this stamp set. I think you will love it just as much as we do. And I'll be honest, everywhere you look right now, there's geese. And so everybody you know could get a goose card, a geese card, some cards made with geese. You figure out how you want to say that. But this guy is available. Now, if you're not a club member, it's still available to you. It'll cost you a tiny bit more, and you don't have that discount on your other purchases. But you can pick this up whether you're in the club or not. And I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I am. Now, as always, we have a giveaway. If you make a card or a project using the stamp set and you post it to our customer gallery, you can be entered to win a $50 gift card to our store. So you could have been last month's winner. You want to make sure you check the top line of the description of this video to see if you were. Hey, thanks so much for being part of our club. We love having you in it. We hope you love Silly Goose as much as we do. All right, until next time, bye now.